17 appeal.
17.
Tomorrow I play. Race addition.
Why tomorrow? Why you so urgent?
But the vigilance authorities will take away properties. If the authorized officer passes order.
If I'll dismiss, then also they'll take it.
I will leave it to Allah.
Take it. Okay.
Obliged.
Okay. Sorry, 21?
21.
Mic use karo. Yes, 21. You want an adjournment?
Item number 21. May kindly post it to next week, madam.
Item 27, the year of 2013. I have intimated my client, my lord. He has not he has telephoned me, but it did not come. Lordship, 2 weeks after I need it. 27.
Next week.
1 week after, okay, ask you.
1 week after.
Yeah, 1 week after.
My lord, item number 18, my lord.
18.
Taken up 1 week after.
1 week. Yes. Yes, any mentioning? No? Yes.
May I please, Your Lord? In
Yes.
this case, my lord, the appellants were convicted under section 13(2), reduced 13(1)(d) of PC Act and section 420, 471 by 34 of IPC for a period of 2
All
years.
7 accused.
2 years. 2 accused person convicted.
How many of them are there?
Other accused person have been acquitted, my lord.
Acquitted.
Acquitted.
Only two of them are convicted.
Yes,
huh?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
2 are brothers and by submitting forgery certificate served for so many years in FOI. सिपाही चाकरी कले बहुत वर्ष सर्टिफिकेट देके.
Oh, this is an appeal, na?
Appeal.
Let
2
me-
years. Yes,
Let
sir.
me detail. Same suspend. They are on bail, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
During trial on bail.
Suspended and
Okay.
admitted. Yes.
My name may can be reflected in
Yes.
the brief as well as in the cause list.
Cause list as well as
Sanjay Kumar Das,
Sanjay Da.
standing house.
Yes. May I please, Your Lordship? Yes, sir.
This is also conviction under the provisions of PC Act, and the maximum sentence is 3 years. They have been granted bail post conviction by the land trial court, which is valid till tomorrow.
I'll
So-
admit same order.
Well,
I'll
one more
admit
thing,
it. Yes.
one more thing I am praying for, but they were government servants, both the appellants. With your lordship's kind permission, or copy kind. But I am presenting a petition for stay of conviction. I am conscious of penalty limitation. Here I'll just show to your lordship one thing. If your lordship pleases, your lordship may consider, otherwise not. I am conscious I will get number of decisions against me and very few decisions in my favor also. So therefore, whether your lordship will prima facie bring it within the scope of those few decisions where I beg to survive. The point is, my lord,
Why should we labor on this? If
No,
you
my-
are ready to argue appeal, we will hear it.
appeal, my lord, will be heard. No, appeal ta aji kothi hearing.
Oh, I'll put it, you tell me date, I'll put it
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ
here.
ସେଇଟା ପାଇଁ ମନା କରୁନି
And see
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
the amount of labor we will put in
ଏଥିରେ
for staying the conviction, the same
ନାଇଁ
amount
ଏଥିରେ
of
ବୋଧେ
labor will.
କିଛି ଲେବର ଦରକାର ହବନି on merit
Accused number 1 has already
Na-
is 63 years of age.
ସାରଙ୍କର
Accused
ଏନର୍ଜି
number
ମୁଁ
one.
ବହୁତ ଜାଣିଛି ମତେ ଟିକେ ପରମିଟ କଲେ ମୁଁ ସିମ୍ପଲ କରିଦେବି ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ
Yes, yes.
ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଦି ଏନର୍ଜି
I will find objection, let it be
ମୁଁ
put to
ମନା
after
କରୁନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ସବୁ ସେ କହିବେ ସେ କହିବେ ଆଜି ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଟାଇମ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ପଦେ କହିବାକୁ ତ ମୋର ଅଧିକାର ଅଛି
Hey,
ସିନିୟର କାଉନସିଲ ହିସାବରେ
You tell.
ଆଉ ଯାହା ସେ ରାଇଟଲି କହିଲେ appellant number 1 has retired.
Hmm.
So question of stay of conviction of appellant number 1 may not arise for the timing, and I have not filed for him.
Hmm.
I have only filed for appellant number 2, who is my lord on leave since September 2021, having pancreas disease. Your lordship knows our learned senior Mr. Gopalan Mahapatra passed away because of that pancreas disease, which is very hazardous. And he is also equally having BP and diabetes. That is also simultaneous to this kind of
Which all of us have.
my lord, that's there. My lord, at least I do not know. I guess your lordship may not be having diabetes because your lordship never takes any space. I have never seen in my entire
One
association.
should
with
not
the
take
lordship.
stress. There is no point taking stress.
And I believe that way, but
And
still,
my friend is also.
I believe I maintain that kind of life, but still I am having little bit of diabetes. Except that I have nothing else, no BP, nothing. So here what has happened is, my lord, in law leave since 2021. Whatever he is getting, the family is surviving. But now this conviction stares at him. Will your lordship or just protect him? But till this, your lordship decides my appeal. I have nothing more to say. Because he's on 2021, the government has granted him leave, considering this condition. So now taking away the job will just put the death knell on him. That's all, my lord. So this is the background I am praying. It is not that I am saying the stay of conviction is a routine affair. I cannot, my lord. I have to assist your lordship on a point of law. And I know in a matter where my learned friend is appearing,
Where you have not filed any document to that effect.
but I have to get it.
Only you said in para 3,
My
he will
lord,
deny it, finish.
that
Your
is
case is
there.
finished.
My lord, that is there. But
You
if
you have
but
to
one thing,
prove
I'll
something.
just point out to your lordship. If this statement will be found to be incorrect, will he not be held for contempt of court, my lord?
No, those things may not cut any eyes.
And
I tell
he
you.
has, he
You should have filed some document, at least he would have got some opportunity to verify it and all. And simply say that no, then finish.
man, that
Who,
is,
then we will have to conduct a trial whether you are.
I would have ascertained from my vigilance authorities how far it is true or
Therefore,
false or
you
anything.
should suppose-
Nothing is there.
Para 3,
Ma'am.
on the basis of some document, then we can venture into it.
I'll pray, my lord, your lordship may
Yes.
kindly fix it to next week.
Next
Let
week.
my friend also find out whether the statement is correct or not. But on merit, he may oppose with regard to the
See,
stay. I
Mr.
have
Mishra,
nothing.
you know, he has his own limitation. He will give this application to his officer.
My lord,
The reply will be no.
ma'am,
And he'll have to come and say
my lord,
no.
in one of the,
Unless you file some document,
Ma-
then at least he can tell his officer,
Ma-
please verify.
in one of the case where I have filed a stay of conviction application, my learned friend has filed a reply citing 17 Supreme Court decisions opposing it.
Because the
And your
17,
lordship says he will not get information. My lord.
His lordship is very much aware about the stay of conviction, starting from
so
cases
that
are in.
my approach is better, instead of wasting time, if you can argue, I'll fix it next week. Let us hear the appeal and finish it up, if you have a good case. If you don't have a good case, then you
I
don't
am
very much.
only praying, my lord, your lordship may place this miscase next week, then your lordship may decide for with regard to hearing of the date.
And if you have a good case on merit,
Right.
if you think that it's a case of acquittal, get ready and come.
Now that I'll assist your lordship. I'll have to take instruction on that.
That is a better idea to, you
No,
know,
that-
finish, at least he'll
but,
come out for the.
This petition may kindly be accepted.
Yes, yes.
The petition has not been numbered so
This
far.
application.
It has not been numbered so far.
Presenting in court, my learned
yeah,
friend,
it should
his
be-
practice says
Why-
that it
why
cannot
it-
be filed
Why
without
to
number.
get into all these things?
But this is really
Take it-
surprising, my lord.
It's all right, Mr. Mishra. Take it and give a copy
And,
and file reply.
even in a
He
writ
gives a
petition, my lord,
document.
during vacation, when the court is totally closed, I remember, we moved the Honorable Chief Justice. Honorable Chief Justice directed the rest of the case is to be registered, no number. Interim stay was granted. I remember I had gone along with
Yes,
my
that-
senior to the residence of the then Honorable Chief
It's
Justice.
always better that instead of wasting
So it
time
is
on
saying that it is not numbered. My lord, I think. that-
lenient on. Okay, you give a copy.
My lord, so far the bail and
That is
fines,
done. That is done.
that's all.
Appeal admitted, the usual order. Is granted the law, sentence suspended, and insofar as this application, Mr. Mishra and counsel, senior counsel has filed an application on behalf of the petitioner for seeking a stay of conviction. The same is taken on record. Copy of the same is supplied to Mr. Das. Mr. Das, Mr. Mishra, and senior counsel seeks 1 week time based on record. Document in support of the contention raised by him in para 3 of his application. Please the matter on the. Yes.
Thereafter, I will file my objection
Obviously,
because it is not numbered so far.
obviously,
So after that, I will file objection. I will instruct my officer to come and swear in the affidavit.
we'll see next week. Let him file the document.
Let him file the
Let-
document within a week.
Prima facie, let us let both of us be satisfied first. Then-
Exactly.
The
exactly.
Honorable Court
Exactly.
having accepted the petition for registration, my friend saying because it is not
No,
numbered, I will not take
without
instruction.
document supporting
document
para
I will file.
there is no point filing reply.
Objection. In which
is no
area
point.
I will file objection?
You file
IA number I will provide, my friend.
you file the document in advance
Right.
so that he can see.
Oblige.
Yes. Yes, three.
Free copy of both the orders may kindly be supplied. I may play. Free copy of the orders.
Free copy? Free copy of the order.
Your lordship was pleased to have this matter, my lord, before vacation. And on that date, your lordship was pleased to enlarge him on bail, but somehow your lordship gave the proposal that after reopening of the court, my lord, that this court will be, that order will
But
be.
when, that is on 17th, 17/5,
Aye.
75.
17, none appear for the petitioner.
No, ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଥିଲି.
Subsequently, he came, madam.
Where is that order? You have not pleased that order.
Simply it was urgent, my lord.
Simply urgent.
Ha.
Yes, what was the case?
Case, my lord, this present petitioner before your lordship is the husband. And he was arrested on 13/7/2023 for commission of the offence under section
13/7?
2023. date of arrest. And my lord, in the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted on,
Yes, Mr. Agrawal.
Though I have not received the charge sheet, the CD, my lord, but in fact, he had given the postmortem report and the charge sheet, my lord.
charge sheet, my lord.
And the death, my lord, death of the deceased, my lord, would have been due to combined effect of asphyxia and a venous congestion as a result of antepartum hanging.
Hanging.
306.
306 is charge sheet.
And 1 year regulating.
Again,
Granted bail.
obliged.
Yes. Charge sheet has been filed. Charge sheet filed on
Charge sheet filed on
petitioner is
that 10/11/2023. 11/2023, charge sheet filed.
Petitioner is stated to be in custody since 13/7/2023. After investigation, charge sheet has been filed on 10/11/2023. These are the three bail petitions.
And co-accused also released on bail by your lordship.
Co-accused
In BLFL number 89 of 2024. 89 of 2024.
89 है 2024 ये लिख दिया co-accused Niharika Malik
Narahari Malik.
Narahari Malik has already been admitted to bail by this court by the order dated 12/3/2024 while in BLAPL number 89 up to 2024.
Obliged.
Item 4.
Um,
Case of
My lord,
2010, my lord.
Case is pending, my lord, before the Court of Sessions, my lord.
What is this?
What is
That,
it? Item number, my lord. Is
It-
not right. Okay, sir.
no, it, my lord, I have written in the Court of STJM Kendrapada.
Four.
No,
Item
no,
four.
item 3,
Huh?
in cost title, I have written in pending before the STJM Kendrapada.
Remember लिख दिया.
हाँ, my lord, direct court in season. Court,
14 season code.
हाँ, yeah.
14 season code. ठीक है. 4.
Item 4. 4, my lord, case of my lord, year 2010, my lord. And lifting of condition, my lord. And 20,000 was imposed, my lord, as a condition. But in fact, whether that has been survived or not, that is doubtful, my lord. 2010 case, my lord.
এটা গোটে
One-
পাস আউট করে তারপরে ডিসমিস করলো গোটে পাস আউট করে ডিসমিস
Pass out. Third.
পাস আউট ঠিক আছে
Item 5.
Lord, item number 5, my lord, Mr. Yasobandar Lanet, senior counsel, is arguing this matter. My lord, he is abroad, my lord. My lordship may kindly call this matter. We commencing 7th, 8th of July, my lord.
What is this matter?
My lord, for cancellation
Cancel
of bail.
bail, my lord.
What cancellation of bail? When the bail was granted? When the bail was granted? Just see, let us see. Which order you are challenging? That is 30th for this. Oh, 2011 bail has granted. What is this?
My lord, on the last occasion, this honorable court has directed the state to obtain instruction regarding he has
One antecedent, so far one antecedent, my lord, final report submitted in that case. 506.
I unnecessary withdraw it. There is
That
no
is-
point doing it. 2010.
That is, my lord, Nayapuri case.
2011 bail is granted. Today you are asking for cancellation on the ground that he has some incident, antecedent. In that matter,
Antecedent final report
final
submitted.
report is filed.
And that is, my lord,
You tell Mr. Yaswandas, he'll be happy that one matter is over.
my lord.
I'll simply, I'll record your statement, withdraw it
No, my
Why
lord,
do-
may kindly adjourn this. I have no instructions regarding
tomorrow. Tomorrow, you ask him and come tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll simply dismiss.
my lord, may
These are the matters pending 2022. What is this? You just intimate him.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Lordship, I am in this case, I am appealing on behalf of the opposite party number 2, my lord.
What do you want? I should allow or what?
None of the applications will dismiss. ma'am.
I'm putting it tomorrow. Let him seek answer.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
item 6. That 110 matter, my lord.
Government surety.
That has been not disposed of. Yes, ma'am. Dispose of. Dispose of, my lord. Correction.
Hmm?
Correction.
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 Where do you want?
Instead of CRMC,
What correction you want?
noting is, my lord, the instead of CRLMC, is
It has been mentioned as
CRLS CM.
Pudi, Tole, last.
Paragraph 9.
Paragraph?
9. Paragraph 9.
अच्छा, paragraph 9 की लिखी अमित CRLMC लिखे CMMD para 9 रे in order dated 23/5/2024. So correction, but that's all.
Yes.
Okay, correct. Allowed. Application allowed. Yes.
Item 7.
My lord, your lordship directed for staying up NBW, but the police paper has submitted in different name of the 4 petitioners. And they have mentioned in the nickname of the, that's why your lordship I permitted to correct the nickname. The cost title page.
Let me see what are the nicknames. You have written full name. What is nickname?
My lord, they have
Jaypal Rana, Shankar Maji.
my lord, as per the police report, I have also mentioned their names, my lord, as nickname. That may be replaced in the cost title page.
All the 20.
4 persons, my lord. 4 persons. 6 serial number 6, 21, 22, and 24.
6 Kailash Maji.
My lord.
And
6, 21, then 21, my lord.
21 is Lalit Mohan.
Lalit Mohan Bhuve.
Next.
And next, my lord, 22.
6, 21, 22.
And 24, my lord.
24. What are their names?
Their name is mentioned son of Kirati, Kailash Maji alias Kirati Maji. I may be permitted to correct. Kirati.
By order dated 16/5/2024, this court had allowed the prayer of the petitioners by setting aside the NBW issued against them by order dated 17/8/2023 in GR case number 483 of 2010, arising out of Saintala PS case number 120 of 2010 by the court of Lieutenant JMFC Saintala. The counsel for the petitioner submits that in so far as the petitioner 6, 21, 22, and 24 are concerned, they could not avail the benefit of the order dated 16/5/2024 because there is a variation of their name in the cost title of the petition. Cost title of the petition. He seeks correction of the names of these petitioners. Accordingly, the application is allowed. Petitioner is granted leave of permission to correct the cost title of the petition during the course of the day. During the course of the day, count standby.
Extension of time of surrender.
And in view of the aforementioned confusion, all other have
my lord, all other
petitioners have already appeared before the court below and moved appropriate applications for grant of appropriate application permissible under law. However, these petitioners could not appear. 30th June तो अच्छी already.
मिलियो कि नहीं होड़ा जो रोड़ा से आदिवासी मैंने बाहर को जाई थी.
Not appear. Therefore, the petitioners, these petitioners, the 4 petitioners, 4 petitioners seek extension of time for surrendering for the court below. Accordingly, the time is extended up to 15th of July. 15th of July, the petition number 6, 21, 22, and 24 shall appear before the court below on or before 15th July 2024 and seek appropriate remedy available to them under law. एयरपोर्ट बर्तन चेंज कर दियो तो अपन
हजुर कोर्स
ठीक.
Item 8.
On behalf of Mr. Das, this is the matter already in structure. The matter against the special court authorized officer against the appeal. That has been already
submits that the matter has become infructuous. Therefore, the petition is dismissed as infructuous. Yes.
Item 9.
In this case, petitioner prays for extension of the stay order dated 28/8/2018, my lord. The confiscation order has been stayed.
Yes.
And during the pendency of the appeal, this has been stayed. So,
Where is it? Which order is that?
in a proceeding under section 13 read with 1E of the prevention of
Which order you want extension?
28 and
28/8/2018.
my lord, order
There
number
shall be
3.
stay of operation of the impugn order dated so-and-so, passed by confiscation so-and-so, Kotak, for a period of 3 months
Yes,
from the date of filing of criminal appeal.
thereafter it has been extended. Again, I pray for extension of the stay order.
Why?
It is subject to hearing of the appeal, my lord, since it is not being had. So, maybe called after 2 weeks, can be
17 appeal is pending before this court.
appeal is pending here, my lord. The confiscation, I am challenging the confiscation order.
No, then let us hear the appeal.
I pray 1 week after.
I will just place the appeal for hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I dispose of the application, placing the appeal for hearing?
Maybe listed for hearing till then stay continue.
Stay to continue.
Yes, ma'am. Is continuing. I have filed the petition again.
Have you moved an application?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times you have moved application? Only applications you are moving.
The confiscation proceeding is something different. And from that of the our main case he has been convicted. What has
No, confiscation has been made. No
17
conviction.
17A
appeal
appeal,
is
17
filed. That appeal has to be heard.
That is to be heard.
Yeah.
Because see,
Why it will
he
be-
took the stay order on 28th August 2018, and every time he moves an application and seeking extension.
So I pray.
Appeal has to be heard.
Yes, my lord. I have no objection, but till then.
Leave the appeal for final disposal on the next week.
Next week,
anytime.
next week.
1 week after, my lord. Some people.
1 week after, and it made clear that the interim order made on 28/8/2018 is extended till next date only.
Yes.
Only, and the appeal shall be heard on that day.
First July,
Huh?
1st July, lordship.
1st July. Appeal shall be heard on that day. Okay. Yes. Item 10.
Item 10, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. Dipidhar, senior advocate, I am praying for an adjournment. It be taken on Friday, day after tomorrow, your lordship. In fact, Mr. Dhal was supposed to appear, but due to some
All the matters are urgent, 30 matters are there. Then I will be unemployed.
only day after tomorrow it can be with my learned seniors.
My application, may I pray before your lordship, my application one is IA number 1082 of 2024. I pray before your lordship to dispose of that IA.
What is that IA?
Vacation of the interim order has been passed since 2021. No coercive action to continue.
Oh,
My application may kindly be disposed of. Let it be.
Coercive action means the conviction is also stayed.
My lord, it's for stay of conviction only for Friday, your lordship, day after tomorrow. my lord.
Friday.
No further order may be passed, I pray.
No, I am not asking anything. Friday,
No.
I am going to hear this.
My lord,
Otherwise, I will vacate that
No,
part.
no, my
That
lord.
part, I will clarify that. Not vacate. Clarify that no coercive action doesn't mean that conviction is also stayed.
On the previous occasion also, your lordship has passed the order.
Or get ready and come and let us
Friday
hear the
only.
appeal.
I am extremely obliged, your lordship, it's
Yes,
keeping
yes,
to
no
Friday.
problem. See, sometimes it happens, due to pressure of work,
No.
that what has come, and you are taking advantage of that. So, since 2022.
29.
The matter, my lord, this matter was heard by the Honorable Coordinate Bench. It was posted for judgment. Since for 1 year, 5 months, thereafter it was released from Patad and it has been placed before your lordship. This IA was heard finally. Decision is there, my lord.
I will not hear the I will hear the appeal and finish it up.
So
Let us finish the appeal instead of.
in the IA, I have filed all the citations, my lord. I have already filed on the previous occasion. Your lordship may dispose of this IA, my lord.
Why unnecessary appeal? Let us get rid of the appeal first of all. If they have a
So
good case,
appeal,
they
appeal deposition copies and this report and
get ready and come and give me here. I'll do it.
no, I have not brought. I have not got
No,
all the
no,
entire copies.
on the urgent date. Let it be
Because
on
from
Monday
the-
if you want. Monday, Tuesday, anytime.
It will be brought out from the LCR, my lord. The LCR is there.
LCR
LCR is there
LCR
in
is
the
there.
court. So if the paper book is prepared, then only
No,
can.
sir, don't go by paper book, take a pen drive and take it.
So we have not been supplied with the pen drive so far
You
till
take
today.
it, you take it, I'm saying, I'm giving instruction. Send your junior with a pen drive, entire record you will get it. And hearing.
My lord, so far appeal has been filed. Appeal has been filed by the appellant. My submission before your lordship is appeal has been filed, being aggrieved by the conviction order passed by the Lord and Trial Court. So the entire record has been called for by your lordship. So earlier, either at the cost of the appellant, the paperwork was prepared by the office,
See, paper business, forget it.
or
That is the very primitive way of doing it.
no,
Now
my
we
lord.
are in
If the appellant wants so, it can be prepared at the cost of the appellant as your lordship.
This is wastage of time. I tell you, this is wastage of time. You are the prosecuting agency. I am giving you liberty to both of you. Get your pen drive, take the entire record, prepare and come here. And finish it up. Don't get into the primitive way of preparing paper book. We are going to be paperless courts. What
Paperless, it will be subsequent. It will be now till
from today.
Till now we are having.
Where is your junior? Where is your junior?
Junior, we 5 standing counsels are there. Only
Your
5.
junior.
My junior is in the lower court.
You call them at, by 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whenever he is free.
No, I will have to. I will have to get the.
He's not well conversant with this system.
Today or tomorrow you have to. See, let us start it. I'm ready to accommodate. It doesn't happen, then I'll adjourn again. Don't worry about it. But tell your junior to come and take in the pen drive first.
May I suggest one thing? Well? Your lordship may direct the registry to print out the.
No printout, please. We are going to be paperless. What are you talking?
No,
We are spending a lot of money on this.
And
the bar has to cooperate. Otherwise, how will you proceed? It is easy for me also with underlining paper book and all that. But I'm still doing it.
कौन होची के माने appeal hearing रे it requires marking and so on, so he is not well conversant. That is the problem.
Same thing here
It may not be a problem for me, it may be a problem for him.
But let him try.
No,
See,
also it will be the printout copies will be brought out, thereafter will be argued.
you know, in Chief Justice Court,
there is a system.
He says
System has been provided.
in Chief Justice of India's court. He says that anybody coming with paper, I'll not hear. I'll hear the junior. The same thing will happen here.
His number table is also clean.
Here your juniors, you will have to assist him.
I will get all the entire things from in the pen drive. Again, I will have to bring out all those copies, print out copies. Then I will
You don't get scary about it. You try. If doesn't happen, then I'll recommend. Try.
No,
I'll put it on Tuesday.
Another thing is that so far as appeals are concerned, your lordship may hard it chronological. That will be better because appeals since.
But this is an exceptional case. See.
Exceptional case is something
because
different.
The amount
that is your
time
lordship's
we
discretion.
spend in vacating the stay and all. It's better that here the appeal.
That is up to your lordship's discretion in exceptional cases, in mentioned cases. Other cases, your lordship.
Otherwise, serial you will do. Otherwise, barring 1-2 matter, all will come serial. No preferences. You try, it doesn't happen, then I'll give you a
I will get the pen drive tomorrow. Get the pen drive.
Yes.
I myself will tell you.
Yes. And I'll put it on the Tuesday.
Tuesday for hearing.
Tuesday, Wednesday? Wednesday, okay. If you can't gel with that pen drive business, tell me so that a printout will be given to you. Try, you try first. Let us. Yes. Next.
Item 11.
Wednesday, and whoever is asking the LCR copy in pen drive, give them. Don't ask me, give them. They're entitled. Yes.
Item 11.
Yes, sir.
I have filed an interim application for suspension of stay. And the objection has not been filed.
Objection has been filed since 6/4/2024 and copy has been served on my Lord and Friend since 6/4/2024.
Stay of what? Conviction?
Stay of conviction. Hard copy is available with me. You have received the copy.
Yes. It's correct.
So copy.
Yes, take us. Let me verify. Next week.
Appeal hearing koreba ka worry. I am not going to stay the conviction.
Then next week also it
There
can
are
be.
many
Yes, yes,
judgment
yes,
against you.
yes, yes, yes. That is against me.
How will you overcome that?
Yes, that I will satisfy it. Next week also. Let me go through that.
The petitioner seeks time to prepare for the hearing of the appeal instead of pressing for stay of conviction. Leave the matter next week.
May I pray that it may be kept in the record? I have already filed in the e-filing and I am filing this hard copy today.
I have recorded that he is not insisting for stay of conviction. Rather, he will argue on appeal. I am writing it.
Appeal. So let him supply the copy of the deposition.
Deposition
Yes,
and
yes,
everything
also.
keep.
In the manual
next,
also.
next week, clear?
No, let it be kept.
Next to next week.
Eight रखा है ना बुधवार को सत्ता next बुधवार.
Sir, next Budhwar. I mean, he has to be ready, na? Yes.
Item 12.
Yes, sir. You are appearing, sir?
I'm from the state.
State.
It's an SS Patra.
Oh, Patra, sir. Okay. Who is appearing for the? It was never listed. First time listed after
13.
after
11
years, 13 years. Who is the lawyer here? Registry is directed to inform the non-APS for the petitioner. Registry is directed to inform the learned councils for petitioner regarding the listing of the present matter. Present matter. Post it on next week. First week will be Monday, Tuesday. Friday video. Friday तो registry implement कर दी तेरी. Because see, वकालतनामा जोड़ा ची just registry to implement. ठीक है. Notice Friday को. And tell the registry that just take format one agree. Whatever you are listed, you can survey. Next.
Item 13.
13 also first time listed. Right. When the matter was last listed on 30th October 30/10/2023 and 13/12/2023, none had appeared on behalf of the petitioner. Therefore, this court is appointing so-and-so, say for so-and-so as an amicus curiae to assess the court. That the paper would be supplied to the amicus curiae, release the matter next week.
Also dismiss.
No. I can't dismiss it. See, in the last two occasions, nobody appeared. So I am appointing an amicus curiae to assist. Mr. Mishra, why don't you assist? Write down his name. Amicus curiae. Get ready next
Yes, ma'am.
Monday.
Ma'am.
Revision. Mr. Mishra is copy of this thing is supplied. Let us see. If you can do it tomorrow, let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Get ready.
What happened in this case, my lord?
Requisites not
Requisite or defects are there. But a requisite for issuance of a notice with the present correct address not filed. That
I notice everybody. 2012 matter notice now.
that is well for that.
Everybody appears. Let us finish it up.
Authorize your lordship में
138 case.
man
This is 138 case.
Repeated not filed.
Nobody appears also.
Otherwise, I will intimate him, my lord, tomorrow.
Huh?
I will intimate the council, my lord, also. I know very well that.
Amicus curiae is not required. I can dismiss it. Because it's 138 matter. Had it been a
No, revision, my lord, your lordship can't dismiss it.
revision, I can dismiss
Revision
it. If it is arising out of a complaint case.
Keep it to 25th.
Complaint case, I can do it. See, if it is a
Revision has to-
prosecution, if it's an FIR, then it's difficult. But in the complaint case, I can dismiss it.
I will intimate, my lord, tomorrow.
Whether it's a complaint or
No, I
a,
dismiss it.
whether it's a complaint or an FIR, my lord, your lordship has to hear it on merits.
No, it is a complaint case on 138.
There is no difference, my lord. The revisional power, it has to be heard on merits and dismissed.
That's right, but can I appoint an amicus curiae in this
Why
matter?
not? Your lordship can.
Okay, then carry on. Let that order be there. Assist day after
Yes,
tomorrow.
obliged, man.
Day after tomorrow. Okay.
Item 14.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ponda, for
Obliged.
Item 14, my lord, prefers short adjournment.
take 138 matter, you take it and day after tomorrow we'll do it. Yes, 14? Yes.
My lord, prefers short adjournment, my lord.
Why? 2000, after 2015, nobody appears.
Yes, sir, deputy.
So appears for the petitioner and seeks an adjournment.
Deputy and remove laws till date.
Yes,
Till
sir.
that,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir, deputy is there.
What are the defects? Major defects?
SR not removed, my lord. In the meantime, we will remove the SR.
This petition was filed,
It's a matter of 2013, my lord.
2013 you have conviction under which provision? Offense under which section?
No.
Are you sure that you want to do it?
My lord.
Will you cure the defect? Then counsel seeks an adjournment to cure the defect, release the matter next week. Cure the defect and come.
My lord. Okay.
Yes.
Item 15.
My lord, item number 15 and 16, brief and transferred to the petitioner. It was filed for modification. On the order dated 27/3/2018, in case of CRL, it is written miss case.
Only that modification?
Yes, sir. Both the item
It is
number 15
disposed
and
of?
16. Yes, sir.
Now the matter is already been disposed of?
Yes, my lord. Only for modification it was there.
Two months. And you have deposited the amount?
That I have to take instruction from my senior, sir.
Extension you have sought for?
No, sir, item number 15, 16. Sir.
Oh, 15 only. Where is the application?
Sir, brief has been transferred to the petitioner, sir. It was disposed of.
Which application you are talking about?
Sir, 15, 16, Sujata Vera versus State of Odisha.
I know that. Where is your brief?
The brief has been transferred to the petitioner. It was a case of 2018.
Jyoti, why it is said? This case is disposed of accordingly instead of 15th ठीक है कर दो प्लीज ठीक है मिस केस हमें मिस केस इज डिस्पोज ऑफ जाकर CRL में इज डिस्पोज ठीक है नेक्स्ट इन पैराग्राफ छोड़ो रे in order shown so in the last paragraph has been inevitably typed as the miss case is disposed of accordingly instead of CRLM is disposed of. ये दिला चीज पता है लो.
Master.
16, 15, 16, 17.
15, 16, both.
Hello.
Both. 17.
Please, your lordship.
Yes, sir.
Lord, I am there virtually. Lords, this is an appeal under the Special Courts Act, my lords, against an order of the learned authorized officer Cuttack, my lords, special courts, who has, by that impugned order, my lords, he has discharged the defense witness from being examined at the trial in defense of the petitioner. This is order dated 13/4/2018, my lords.
Right.
The
Page
date
7.
was posted for examination of defense evidence, my lords.
Yes.
And
Item 17.
Huh.
Mr. Das is supposed to conduct this case. My senior standing counsel, vigilance, supposed to conduct this case. He is not here. Let it come next week or any date.
No, I'll pass it over. He's there. Call him.
हाँ से फाइल आंटी की नहीं बरा he's missed it, has missed it. थिले न रोई था जैसे पढ़े.
Similarly, 30 matters लाउची सब.
ठीक है तुमको I will intimate
Lord,
later.
basically, there is no urgency in this matter because the post of the authorized officer, Special Court Cuttack, has been lying vacant for the last 4 years. So, it can be heard at any time.
For the next week. At the request of Mr. Da, on behalf of Mr. Da, Mr. Devas Ponda for petitioner, and on behalf of Mr. Da, there is a request made and urgent. Yes, sir. Next week or
Next week, not around to 1 week after.
1 week.
And interim orders may continue.
Interim orders to continue. Yes, sir.
Obliged.
Item 19.
I am complainant of the number 1. Your lordship, last order, petitioner is to deposit 1 lakh in trial court. That's 19/7/2013.
Yes.
9/7/2013. The last order. That.
1 lakh rupees deposited
Yeah.
in trial court. Our considering the submission material on record, we can decline to admit the on bail. Hey, what do you want?
That may be released, madam, in favor of the petitioner, in favor of the opposite party number 1 complainant. I am for complainant.
What are the offenses?
My lord,
138.
138 in Act. The 2 courts they have lost. 2 courts they have lost. Trial court convicted, rigorous imprisonment of 1 year. Within 3 months, we have to deposit 2 lakh. And that they have challenged before appeal. Appeal confirmed the order of the trial court. Then he comes to the High Court in a revision.
And in the revision, this order has passed.
This order has been passed.
And what about the revision then?
Revision is pending with my lord.
You are the opposite party number 2.
Opposite party number 1 complainant.
No, but who is appearing for the petitioner?
Nobody is turning.
Where is your application?
They have the file case, my lord, here.
I know. Where is your application for release? Today, why this matter has come. Why this matter has come? For the hearing only?
Hearing, for admission, my lord. For admission, LCR has been already transferred.
LCR, I see. Well, who is the counsel? Who is the counsel?
The counsel is Mr. Smriti Rangan Mahapatra, already dead. His junior is there.
B.R. Mahapatra.
B.R. Mahapatra. Other juniors are there.
Other associates are there.
Inform him. I'll put it tomorrow. Please inform. Let us see if check amount is 2 lakh.
2 lakh. No, check amount is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Lower court order is.
He has deposited 1 lakh now.
Deposited 1 lakh.
And forget about he can give some more money
Yes,
that
ma'am.
if we will finish it up.
You will
Unnecessary why to
I'll inform him.
inform. I am putting it tomorrow. Then counsel for the opposite party number 2 or opposite party?
Opposite party number 1.
Opposite party number 1 submits that he would be informing the learned counsel for the petitioner regarding the listing of this matter. Leave the matter tomorrow.
My lord, government council also inform you. One of the junior is in the in government panel.
138 years of government upon the.
No, Sanka junior, one of the junior is government council.
He'll also try, but he
Because he checked them out. See, Bihar Mahat is there, my lord.
ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି, I will inform. No problem, I will
Check
inform.
amount is 1 lakh rupees.
Yes.
1 lakh rupees he has already deposited at the time of bail.
Yes.
Sending him to jail, you are not going to get anything.
Yes.
If he pays you something, I will allow this revision and finish it up.
Yes, man.
You get some money, that's all.
Urgent to Friday, my
If
lord.
you send him to jail, what?
Yes,
Nothing.
yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Tomorrow, my lord. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Hon'Ble.
Item 20.
20 millards, I'm seeking some time. There's no stay. My sir is not here. My senior is not. My senior is not here, millards.
You
And
will enough.
no, millards. Very gracious of him, millards.
Item number 20, 21 and 22 arise out of the same proceeding. Revision against rejection of application for discharge. 20 he is seeking adjournment, 21 has already been adjourned.
Was there any stay?
I am in 22. Yes, there is stay.
In my matter 20, there's no stay, millards.
In one matter is stay, then
Millards, 21 has been adjourned already in the morning. Millards, may kindly fix 20 and 22 to the same date, millards.
the trial is proceeding or not? Not
No,
trial,
not possible.
because stay is there.
Charges have not been framed. We are
ସେ
against
21ଟା
the
ଯୋଉଦିନକୁ ଯାଇ
rejection of
ସେଦିନକୁ
the
ଯାଉ ସବୁ
application.
ଯାକ
21 ଯେଉଁଦିନ ଲଗେଇଲେ ସେଇଟା ଲଗେଇଦେବ ଭାଇ ସେଇଟା।
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ରଖିଥିବୁ
Any date.
ସେ କୋଉ ଦିନ
Lordship
ଯାଇଛି
will keep
କହିଦିଅ।
it to I am ready.
First week of July
आगे।
entry mode to continue what it is.
Let's may fix a date
July
also first week.
First week.
July 1st.
First
No,
week.
First week.
1st July ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
First July. So, when was the FIR?
Well, long back I had to.
2003.
Third first. Team first.
It is made clear that no further adjournment shall be given. And the matter will be heard on that.
Hard.
2014.
2003 FIR, stay is operating. If charge is made out, if charge is not made out, not made out.
Yes.
We'll see, examine and finish it up.
Lots.
Yes.
I'm grateful.
What are the charges, by the way?
13(1)D, 468, 420 and 120B. 13(1)D, Prevention of Corruption Act. The matter relates to the construction of a bridge where it is alleged that excess payment was made to the contractor. The officials starting from the chief engineer to the accounts division officer, all are entangled as accused persons herein. Some of them were discharged by the trial court and some of them the application for discharge was rejected, against which we are before this honorable court.
Lots. Grateful.
चिंता कर दो, लिख दो, no further information. Yes.
23.
23 may kindly be taken up next week, my lord, on behalf of Hon'Ble Ratna Panda, my lord.
Why next week?
47 Bihar Orissa Exec. 47 of A of Bihar Orissa Exec. 6 months.
6 months sentence. Why next week?
Pass on, my lord.
I am passing it over. Otherwise, I'll maintain conviction, section 4, provision of offenders act.
Pass on, my lord.
There is nothing unnecessary. Pass over, huh?
My lord.
24.
24.
24 will also I pay for a short adjournment any day in the next week. 3 years conviction, 47 days we had. In fact, I got the file in the morning itself.
Okay.
Short dated.
Conviction under which provision?
47.
You consider that I'll maintain the conviction and probation of offenders. I'll give and finish.
But
I'll put it tomorrow.
Not so.
Tomorrow.
Day after, can I say? Because tomorrow I have some.
Day after, no problem. Yeah. Section 4 probation.
Offenders.
Benefit of probation will give and finish.
Yes, sir. Yes, will be better.
Yes.
25.
25.
Well. 448 is simple imprisonment, 6 months and 500 rupees.
Who is the lawyer?
Lawyer is my lord Ashok Kumar Swain.
when the matter was taken up on 31/10/2023,
Yes, my lord.
none appeared on behalf of the petitioner. Even today,
Yes.
none has appeared on behalf of the petitioner. Therefore, this court is appointing M.A.K. Skuri, appointing Mr. So-and-so as M.A.K. Skuri. So-and-so ka kudu Hey, Mr. Goda,
I think.
you're given the name. Select the name, one of them. Select the name.
Janaki Mahapaତ୍ର.
Janaki Mahapaତ୍ର. Janaki Mahapaତ୍ର. ରଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଦି ଚାରିଟା appoint କରି ଖତମ କରିବା ଜାନକୀ ମହାପାତ୍ର ଲିଖିଦେବେ particular
Janaki regularly appearing.
regularly so and so as M.A.K. Skuri to assess the spot and a copy of the paper book shall be supplied to registry is directed to supply a copy of paper book to the M.A.K. Skuri. Release the matter next week.
I think, my lord, the Ashok Kumar Swami has already been expired, my lord.
Cut it in, sir. Cut it in.
No, Ashok Kumar Swami, the advocate.
M.A.K. Skuri will khatam. Yes.
26.
And you must inform
My lord, Janaki.
names. Yes.
May I please, Your Lord?
And tell them that if M.A.K. Skuri is appointed, no request from M.A.K. Skuri. This is the insult to the court. Court, M.A.K. Skuri is the friend of the court. If the friend will not cooperate, who else will cooperate? Yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? That this is a matter where the conviction under section 323 and 324 was done. 1 year rigorous imprisonment for 323 and 3 months for 324. The SR was for the alleged offense of 323, 324, 341, 506. The learned trial court acquitted the accused persons under 341 and 506. That's a keeping in view of the
conviction under
323 and 324, my lord.
323, 24.
Only
Okay.
323. No
What
wrongful
the appellate court does?
Confirm the order, my lord. Confirm the order. But here I pray that
Show me the injury and doctor's evidence. Finish.
my lord, that's the thing I am going to use. I don't have the LCR. If your lordship kindly direct that a soft copy of the LCR, which is already there, kindly
Here
provide.
you may be acquitted. Let us see.
Yes, your lordship. That on the ground of presumption and I may refer to page
Don't get
26.
exposure to the LCR. If easily you can be acquitted. Let us
My
think
lord.
of acquittal.
My lord, your lordship kindly for a moment before going into the merits, your lordship kindly refer to page 26.
26.
Yes,
Okay.
that is the trial court judgment, your lordship.
Mr. Raul, who is appearing in this matter?
46, my lord, SP Mishra, my lord.
Our senior.
Opposite party to five, but my instruction file.
ଆପଣ ଏଥିରୁ କିଏ appear ହଉଛନ୍ତି?
My file, sir.
Eh?
File is not available, my lord. 26 Lakshmidhar.
575
Lakshmidhar
of
Bharat.
12. Lakshmidhar Bharat.
Bharat.
2012 criminal division.
The matter assigned to Mr. Rahul, my lord.
Assigned me, my lord, but file is not available, my lord. Arjun, by another date, my lord, I will.
Incident is of 1998.
Yes, my lord.
Conviction is under 323, 324.
Yes, sir.
Sentence is 1 year.
That too on the basis of presumption.
My lord, may I request one thing, my lord? My lord, put this matter after launch. I will inquire to office whether file is not available with me. Not
evidence.
I'll keep it tomorrow. He'll get the file. I think it's a case of acquittal.
In the meantime, if the LCR is, my lord, provided to me.
Why LCR is required?
My lord, if lord say kindly looks at page 26. That's why I need the LCR. 26.
Okay.
The last line, my lord.
26. Okay.
26. Page 26, inner page 8. That is the trial court's judgment.
Yes.
In the last line. But as per the medical evidence. You
Last line?
Last line.
Okay.
But as per the medical evidence, no injury had been found on the right side of the PW3. PW3 is one of the my lord victim.
Injured.
Injured.
Yes.
True, it is that the during cross-examination of PW3, he has exaggerated the incident. That the court itself held that he exaggerated the incident. But for that, the entire testimony of the prosecution witness cannot be thrown at the Bay of Bengal. On this basis, My lord,
Not
my lord, there is a principle. Falsus in uno is falsus in omnibus. That means if one thing is submitting incorrectly, the entire
What you
thing.
say is don't throw it in the Bay of Bengal,
My
throw
lord,
it in the Indian also.
He says that he has a sustained injury on the right side, but the medical evidence shows that he has sustained injury on the left side. That due to falling. So, and the aggressor, who is the aggressor, PW1 or the PW2, that is also
How
one of
many injured?
My lord, injured person has 2 persons, my lord.
This is PW3 and
No, PW1 and PW3. PW1 is the informant, is the injured also. PW3 is his father. PW2 is the post occurrence witness. PW5 is the IO, and PW4 another IO. Subsequently, was transferred. And the medical evidence, it shows that the injury is minor, simple in nature, and he sustained injury on his left finger, index finger or something. Yes, okay. Pichi nahi chali.
what are the injuries according to the?
My lord, the victim sustained injury on his finger, your lordship. That is page 25, PW1 stated. Page
Where is
25
the
in
doctor's evidence? Yes. The same day,
injury and the left ear, above the tip of the left ear. That is written. And on the tip of the left thumb also. That is.
tip of the left thumb.
Yes, your lordship.
And what about one?
One, your lordship.
One incised one.
Yes, one incised one. Situated over the left temporal area, 1 inch above the tip of the left ear.
No, come to page 24.
Yes, sir. Statement of PW1 and PW,
PW8, medical officer.
medical officer.
Para 8
Yes, your lordship.
stated that on 11/7/1998, it medical examined
One incised wound, one swelling.
following one incised wound, 1.5 and zone 2 situated on the flap of the lobula. Let him get.
My lord.
LCR is not there.
LCR is there, barcode is there. The soft copy, today also it will be there. I'll get
Take the
prepared.
soft copy, come tomorrow.
My lord.
I think it is the case of hospital.
My lord.
My lord, I need I am searching in my office.
You know, copy they be
You take a copy, give it to him.
My lord.
There today, tomorrow.
We will sanction
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. The LCR may be made available in the course of the day.
Anytime you can come and take.
My lord.
No problem. There is a standing instruction.
My lord.
LCR you can take. Next.
28.
28.
Oblige.
Item 28 of in the meantime, petitioner died.
Petitioner has died.
Yes, madam.
Let the counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner, public the convict, has already died. Wait. Yes.
Maybe. Maybe. 13(1), 13(1)D and 120V of the IPC, madam. Convicted for 1 year, madam, and to a your lordship, it is a very strange case only. Your lordship can have reference to the FIR, madam. Paper book is ready, madam. FIR at page.
Paper book is
47 months. FI.
77.
FI.
Yes, sir.
Page 77, your lordship.
77.
Relevant part, my lord. Your lordship, 78 and 79. Your lordship, First,
Yes,
can you see 78?
78.
Inspector in charge of Noaipalli PS and Sri Ponda.
Where are you reading? 78.
8 well. Next page.
Inspector
In charge.
Napoli.
Noaipalli.
Bhubaneswar.
And Sri Ponda.
Yes.
I am not the inspector in charge, not also the Ponda. I am Malor Barla. There are two criminal appeals, Malor.
Yes.
Then you will also kind of.
Who are you?
Malor, I am Barla, Malor. Yes, Barla, Malor.
He is in CRL 244.
Birsa Barla.
Birsa Barla.
244 of 2011. There are two criminal appeals, Malor.
244.
244 and 227. 244.
Yes, sir.
Someone has to appear for 227 also, because these two appeals are arising of the same FIR. It needs the analogous hearing, my lords. Because these two appeals are connected.
Also, my lord Justice Sapoti has appointed. My lord, these two Pradhan.
Somebody appears in 227, my lords, it can be heard and analogously disposed of.
Who has appointed MLG?
My lord Justice Sapoti, my lord.
My lords, can you see the order dated 5/12/2023?
5/12.
Yes,
The order is not there. 5/12/20. Who is the MLG colleague?
Mr. Pradhan. Mr. Pradhan is Mr. Pradhan was appointed as amicus.
Vishnu Pradhan.
Mr. Vishnu Pradhan.
He has not come.
No.
I have informed him, maybe I have informed last night. And I have given all the papers to him.
He was intending to come. He told he will come. Has he told that he will come?
Yes, he assured me that I will come.
Shall I pass it over?
My lords.
Let it come, my lords, on any other day, my lord. Let it come on next date. Any other day, tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Why? What is today is not auspicious.
I am ready, my lords. I think Mr. Pradhan will be appearing or not. That is the reason.
My case is, my lord, I am a scapegoat in this case, man. Neither in the affair. My charge sheet was submitted against the IIC. That trap, my lord, that Ponda, and myself.
Who are you?
My lord, I am only on that day, my lord. I was present and I have made the SD entry.
He is the assistant sub-inspector.
Assistant sub-inspector, I have made the SD entry. Okay. And I have not registered in FIR. For that reason, my lord, in the judgment, if your lordship, in the past, my lord, up to 13, there is no whisper of a word against me. But in lastly, the learned sessions in the court below, my lord, added me, since I have not registered the case, so I guilty on 120B.
Okay, you under the head of 120B, you have.
Yes, only 120B.
There is no direct evidence.
Yes, no, not a single word by the decoy, nor the informant. My lord, what happened in this case?
What is the story?
Story is, my lord, there was an accident in the CRP square, my lord. A car from Andhra Pradesh dashed with the electric pole. So CRPF has made a telephone to the police station, and that Ponda went to the spot and took that driver to the police station. There are some discussion between them, Ponda and driver. He has demanded 1,500 and seized the RC and license. He has said that I have only 400. I have no money, so I will pay. Give me some days, I will pay. On this, my lord, the Ponda release him, that driver. He approves the visit.
Ponda is what? Ponda is ASI.
Ponda is a
SI.
SI.
They took 400.
He has 400, he took 350 and 50 rupees he has given to the decoy to go to Andhra, and rest he received and demanded the rest 1,100 have to pay after 15 days. The driver went to Andhra and came and approached the vigilance. There was a trap. In the trap, my lord, there is no recovery of money from that Ponda. And in the police station, my lord, there was a tussle between the vigilance and the general police. So SP and the deputy superintendent of police came to the police station. After that, Ponda was arrested and released on bail. His hand wash was made, but there is no change in color.
Then demand is there, no acceptance.
Yes, there is demand, but
Acceptance is not true.
no, acceptance is not recover also. That the money was recovered from a
What about that 350 rupees?
300 people in 15 days back. There is no no evidence. Only no evidence. 1150, rest 1150.
Right.
My lord, after that, charge sheet, FIR was lodged against the IIC and that Ponda.
Because since they have not registered the FIR.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Subsequently, during the investigation, charge sheet was sanction was accorded from the my lord government. So far as my case is concerned, the DG police have to give sanction. DG police has given sanction against me. But so far as IIC is concerned, state government rejected the sanction.
Okay.
So I myself and that Ponda face the trial.
Please put that.
Yes, madam.
You, Mr. Pradhan, you have created so many problems for these people. Now you have to get out of this.
I have a glance to order.
And if you are out, then these people will be out.
Order dated 5/12/2023.
5/12/2023. In your case?
Yes, there are two sets of senior lawyers in the present case. I talked to them in the morning. They have said, one set of lawyers said brief has been transferred. Another set of lawyers said, I will obtain instruction what happened to that case.
No, but there are two appeal. One appeal, Mr. Tripathi is appealing.
Yes.
And in the other appeal, you have been appointed as amicus.
As amicus. As because they did not appear.
Forget them.
Since it is a regular appeal. This is a regular appeal, it is not a jail criminal appeal.
That's right, but court has appointed you, are you finished?
Unless he comes, then he will come and.
Why? The court doesn't need their consent. They are not appearing. Court has appointed.
One opportunity given to the accused. Whether he has engaged with another set of lawyers.
Three opportunity has given, my lord.
No, whether has he engaged really?
No.
He is entitled to do it. There's no doubt about it.
Two set of lawyers there, senior lawyers are there.
No, but nobody appeared. What to do?
Nobody is appearing.
We can't be waiting for them. Therefore, the court has appointed you. And they should be happy that such a seasoned lawyer is appointed. The accused should be happy without any expenses. I think we should proceed.
यदि ये jail criminal appeal है ना कि difficult regular appeal है ना the government servant.
Unless servant also we can't wait for them. Otherwise, it takes
No, whether he jali
Taku notice notice
after amicus query is appointed, why should I issue notice? How can I nullify the order of the earlier court?
That is
Court has already appointed Mr. Pradhan now. Now you have to assist. If you are not ready, I can put it. I am not going to do anything. It's listed. You have been appointed as an amicus query. You assist. You tell me if you are ready.
I am prepared to assist the court. Only difficulty is since it is a regular appeal, two sets of senior lawyers are appealing.
Because the coordinate bench has already appointed you as an amicus query. If they see it on the board, somebody will come and say that no, I have been appointed, then I can understand.
My name may be reflected in the list so that.
Vishnu Pradhan's name will be reflected in the
list.
Best course would be I'll adjourn it, let it be there.
Because मत जी त्रिपाठी को कोई ना था तो मुझे आनी ना था मुझे ना पास से नहीं मुझे आनी है मेरा स्कोप भी नहीं त्रिपाठी को तो फोन कर कॉलेज आ गया
यदि क्या सुनते बावित्रे
मैं ठीक है
any lawyer comes
yes
in that case a lordship will consider
yes ma'am
we will not wait
yes
जानी चंद से लॉयर को टिके
no
I have
let them come morning I have already informed
still
they have not come
so you tell me when
तो कल की पढ़ दूंगा शुक्रवार रात
Friday को Friday को
Name of Mr. M.S. Rijvi, Additional Standing Counsel may be reflected in both the appeals. M.S. Rijvi, Additional Standing Counsel.
Yes. M.S. Rijvi. ठीक है? दे Friday कर दो.
But I have not taken time,
Therefore, you will get precedent over. But he has to get out. If he is acquitted, then
Yes,
you are out.
he has also a good case. There is no demand, no acceptance.
Acceptance in so far as 1100 is concerned, you satisfy me, I'll acquit.
There is no,
Even if demand is there, acceptance has to be there.
no, there is no acceptance. No acceptance, no.
Get ready on that.
My lord, there is no case, man.
Where is the acceptance?
My lords, I will submit on that.
Get ready with that.
My lords.
If there is no acceptance, he is out. If he is out, the other people are out.
Yes.
I got your lordship's point. I will structure my arguments in that line.
And this is a case of which year?
11, my lords. 2011. Appeal has been filed in the year 2011.
The incident?
Incident of 1999.
99. Still, he is in service.
No, now I am into 54 years. For the last 10 years.
Keep that in mind also. The procedure, the pendency of this proceeding itself is a punishment for them.
No, I have already dismissed
that also.
On this ground, man.
Obviously, if you acquitted, then
My
maybe.
No,
My lords,
maybe it's not.
Yes, it is.
My lords, can I pray it for on Monday, my lord, instead of Friday on Monday 24th?
Okay, Monday.
Grateful, my lords.
Monday.
Monday change ଆଜ୍ଞା 3 justice ଶତପଥୀ ପାଖରେ ଏମିତି ହେଇକି ରହିଲାଣି.
I am not to adjourn.
I am
Monday, my lords, for final disposal. My lords, Monday final disposal, I don't have any problem.
Friday मांगली कौन?
Any problem.
Friday, Monday ro.
Monday.
Monday ro at the top of the top of the.
Grateful.
Do you need that I should fix the time?
As your lordship pleases, at 2 p.m. minutes?
No, 12 o'clock.
Yes.
So that till 12 o'clock you will finish up your
Yes,
work and come.
Marvelous.
12 o'clock.
Marvelous. Great.
Yes. Item 30.
Item 30. May I pray it be taken up next week, any other day? I need a little bit more preparation. I'm otherwise ready. I just need to do a little bit more work. Should we call it any day? Even Monday is good for me.
I believe you are always prepared.
My note is ready, Your Lordship. Only my judgments need a printout. That is why I've been holding on.
Okay.
I couldn't make it on time today.
Next week, what?
Monday?
Which day?
Any
Which date?
day, Your Lordship. Monday, Tuesday. As your Lord, my Lord's is preferred.
Monday?
No, Monday no
Lordship.
Friday.
Lordship.
Friday.
Next Friday.
Mr.
What
Das
is
says
that?
next Friday.
It is a trap case. It will take hardly 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes.
Why Friday? Make it little early.
Other matters are there. Your lordship has already fixed one on Wednesday, and press admission and other matters are there. So I am telling that one.
Let it be Friday. Next Friday.
28th.
Next Friday, Your Lordships, there'll be a reference, I presume. There'll be a reference on Friday. So maybe a Thursday. So
Thursday then. Thursday.
Lordships, Thursday is good.
Thursday
is
2
good.
p.m.
2 p.m. Your Lordships.
2 p.m.
2 p.m. So my name may kindly be reflected in the cause list. Sanjay Kumar Das, standing counsel, in place of that time.
Next. 31.
My lords, here is a matter, trap matter, my lord. What has happened? My lords, a person, my lords, applied for loan. And admittedly, the appellant is though an assistant manager of a bank, but was officiating as a manager. And his allegation is he has given 2,000.
Who is appearing in this matter? Ready?
CRLMC गुड़ा उठी मत काली 9 मु पाइली लिस्ट एटा प्रिपेयर कर CRLMC गुड़ा ताकू प्रिपेयर that cannot be adjourned your lordship no CRLMC adjourn करी होबो
Well, tomorrow asu,
that's
tomorrow.
important then 1 week after asu it will take
you people have to decide. At least 1-2 hearing has to
Yes.
take place. Not that every.
नहीं सही ପାଇଁ कहू छी कोन
coordinate amongst yourselves.
नहीं नहीं तो थिंग इज दैट काहे कि
ready ଅଛି
ଆପଣ
say jo Naidu Mrs. Naidu I am ready to argue that matters if your lordship will hear I will begin this
नहीं तब थिंग इज दैट दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सेइंग दैट कारण अपील हमर किछि लोक अपील दिया मते अपील सहित CRLMC दे तेनु करी सेत ପାଇଁ कोन प्रॉब्लम तेनु क्रोनोलॉजिकली जदी जानते that will be better that appeal has been asked
ଆସୁଛି ପୁରୁଣା matter ଗୁଡା
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ସେତ 2000
ଏଟା 1 week ଭିତରେ we will be in a position to find out at least couple of matter for hearing.
हाँ मुझे सेत
First
chronological
1 week I think we'll keep on fixing.
हाँ कारण chronological
He's interested, we will finish.
The exceptional 1 or 2 matter that is that is not important.
Ei
কিন্তু
matter
otherwise,
kebi darkar
otherwise 2000 onwards asu serially asu that will be
Just
better.
see, serially and everything.
Precedence happening pending ଅଛି.
Yeah,
From 2000 onwards.
ତେଣୁକରି ସେଟା 2000 ଆସୁ
2011.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସବୁ ଗୁଡା ଆମର ସବୁ
Why you are bringing 2017 and all? Why not 2000?
ନାଇଁ ସେ ମେନସନ କରିଥିବା
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ମେନସନ ସାର୍ କରିଥିଲି ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ମେନସନ କରିଥିଲି ସାର୍ ଛୋଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସାର୍ 2500 ଟଙ୍କା ଇନଭଲଭମେଣ୍ଟ ମତେ କୋ ଡ୍ର ଭିତରେ ରଖିଦେଇ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତମେ ନେଇଯାଅ କିଛି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ୱାସିଂ ହେଇନି କିଛି ସାର୍ ହେଇନି କିଛି ସାର୍ ନାହିଁ ମେରିଟ୍ ସାର୍ 15 ମିନିଟ୍ ସରିଯିବ ଆରାମରେ ସାର୍ ସରିଯିବ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ସାର୍ 15 ମିନିଟ୍
He is laughing at you.
ସାର୍ ସେଇବା କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସିଏ ଯାହା ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଯାହା କହିବେ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଆଉ ନା ମଣ୍ଡେରେ ଆସୁ
ହଉ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେବେ ଏଇଟା କରିବେ କେବେ ଡେଟ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ I will not adjourn it, I tell you.
8 ହେଲାକୁ 1 ୱିକ୍ ହେଲା 3 ସପ୍ତାହ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଏକ ଆସୁ
କାହିଁ କହୁଛି ଶନିବାର ରବିବାର 2 ଦିନ ସମୟ ମିଳୁଛି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇପାରିବି
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏକ ଆସୁ
that's why I'm making a fair submission otherwise on other day 10 ରେ ଆମେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ପାଉଛୁ ତେଣୁ କରି ଆମେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହବ CRLMC ସହିତ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହବ that is difficult
So ଠିକ ଅଛି then
without
8 and take it from me that no further adjournment.
Yes.
Request from your side.
yes sir yes obliged sir deeply obliged sir
Otherwise see
Yes.
12 o'clock the board is
କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ
wasting judicial time.
yes sir exactly
Time fix କରିଦେଲେ that will be
available
better.
time of this on your own sir
time fix କରିଦେଲେ that will be also better
Time fix କଲେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସରିଗଲା ହେଲେ କରିଦେବା ନା କଣ ପାଇଁ? I'll accommodate. See today if you want to argue at 2 o'clock I'm ready to come.
yes yes
I have no problem. ठीक है 8 तारीख
sir
next.
and sir mention ହେଇଯାଉ ସେ further time definitely
I take it from me. I will not
obligement
32.
Yes, my image. 32 image sometimes, sir. In last order, sir, stay was continuing. Just in 18 the stay order passed in 16 external pending finalization of the appeal, sir.
Who is appearing?
କେବେ କରିବେ
After 1 month.
next week
Next week, sir, after good time the 2 weeks the sometimes. Then, sir, trial is going on in lower court, sir. Trial is going on now.
Now this is against what?
এটা confiscation of main case trial is going on it's a confiscation proceeding he is enjoying the stay order so let it come next week or one
The stay is continuing, sir. Stay order is continuing.
The stay, that is what he says that you are getting the benefit of stay order, you don't want to argue with it.
No.
That's what he says.
The TR case is going on, sir. Trial is going on.
That is a different story. This is confiscation proceeding. Eighth you will be there. You are appearing in this matter, na? You are appearing in. Will you be ready on the 8th?
July.
July 8th.
July, sir, 15th.
15th. Next week, sir. ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ free, no problem.
One password.
Huh?
2 password.
Item 4.
What to have 10 matter, my lord? I think, my lord, that is not survive, my lord. 20,000 my lord impose as a condition. And 2010, my lord. One surgeon, second time listed. Dismiss for no. None appear for the petitioner. Mr. Ragada appears for the state and submits that this is an application for variation of the bail condition. My lord.
Variation of bail condition?
My lord.
Variation of bail condition. Variation of the condition imposed by the
modified statutory condition number 3 bail. The bail order dated 7.
JMFC
Chandikhol. NGR
by order dated 5/1/2010.
Number of this 17/3/2010.
17?
Prayer person, madam.
17/3/2010. While granting bail to the petitioner. Next paragraph, none appears for the petitioner. Hence, the petition is dismissed.
Madam, they prayed for refund the cash security amount of 20% to the petitioner. Impose other condition in lieu of that.
None appears. And seeks the refund of the money deposited in compliance to the order dated 73 2010. Non-APS discussed. Yes.
23.
Yes.
Item 23.
23 में की भैया कौन पे ऐड देने के लिए
Permission matter. बस. Next था. Permission matter.
हाँ ये
Permission
पास और कहीं कुछ
person we have said.
हाँ
No, somebody matter. Appearing, approved for time. Let's see, pass over it matter. On behalf of Mr. Amrita, somebody appearing matter. Yeah. Seek for urgent, you are stated that matter taken up.
नहीं पूछते रहे कोई मतलब what is
40% we have say excise act matter.
excise
Matter.
that is what I wanted to know.
For that reason,
Section 4 करके छड़ दा उसको
हाँ, exact. ऐसे ना दी. Urgent.
tomorrow करो कल भी रख दो आज ठीक thank you
You too.